Not at all one of my normal videos, but my DeWalt 3400 PSI pressure washer with a 8.7 GA12 triaxial pump from AAA. It stopped building pressure because I put hot water through it, and you're not supposed to do that. So I bought a seal kit, which is this one, to replace the high and low pressures. And learning some things, figured I'd show you real quick. I already got it disassembled here, but this would normally be on there like that. You have to first take off this pressure relief valve, which is on the side of there. Once that is off, then you can use a number 5 hex to take out the bolts that are around here that come off the side of the pump there. Once those are off, I did keep note of them because the top two and the one on the right is long. And these three on the bottom are shorter, so I kind of kept track of that there. So it'd be long, 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 short, short, short. Those come off. Then you can take this off. On the back side of this, there are, what you're gonna see is, first you're gonna see this on the end. You'll take that off, and it'll be this direction, that comes off. And then behind it, this will be in there in that direction, and you'll take that off. Now there is an oil seal back behind here that's really hard to get out. I am not leaking any oil onto these pistons, so I technically didn't even need to take this out. But anyway, I did it anyway, because the kit comes with new front rubber ones, which they're there, but mine are in pretty good shape, so I'm not worried about that. Now these other ones, the O-rings and the other seals and that nut, are on here. Here's a better view of what those seals look like. These are the oil seals that are behind there. They're gonna be really hard to get out, but mine is not leaking, so I'm not gonna mess with this. I'm only gonna mess with these. So what I found out is when you can buy a whole new manifold, but it's like 150 bucks. What I found out was, because this would eventually be in there like that when you take it off, but this metal ring, metal rings come off. So twist and pull up at the same time, and that'll come right off. When that comes off, let's see, there's a little O-ring in here. Got a new one in the kit to replace that. If you want to keep track of how you're taking these off, then inside of that is this little metal ring. Let's take that off. And then in here, you'll notice the back side of this is flat. So now that one's out, you could flip it around and see that there is the other side of it. And it does go in that way. So yeah, I'm going to take out the rest, or this third one here, and put the new seals back in their proper orientation.
Gently slide the old O-ring off, slide the new one in its place, and you're good to go.
So what I found online talking about these is if you look at the edge, you see how that's flared a little bit at the top? Well, that top is supposed to go down, but it obviously won't fit. So there's a specialty tool for this, but apparently, you know, I could have done one of these and then shown you after I've struggled, but apparently if you like start one edge and then slowly around the corners, let's see, slowly you push these in like that.
While keeping one edge kind of pinched on the side, you kind of use a screwdriver to fold in and press.
So I'm just going around and pushing in as I go down.
So I found that pressing with the end of the screwdriver or something round about the same size as the seal allows it to be pressed in much easier. You can apply that easy, constant pressure and get it to slide in.
So once those are in, then these go down.
So I found that putting a little engine oil on the O-rings helped them slide in way easier.
And these should, you see the little indents there, they should go down. So when they're installed, they're just flat, flush there. Okay. go on there in that way. And if you had the oil seal kit, that's what would be that seal behind here.
So I never should have taken those out. There's no need to, unless you're changing the seal kit. And I figured out putting a little WD-40 on the pistons there, help it line up pretty easily as you're tightening it down.
Probably hard to hear me, but working great. Not one of my normal videos. Normally I'm building LS3s for my C5 or doing work on my wife's GTI race car or my Audi race car. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hit the links down below if you're interested in seeing some race car stuff. I have some other random other things as well. Anyway, hope this helped you with your pressure washer. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace.